Located northeast of Dallas, Garland is a city built on strong industry, innovation, and community. With a rich manufacturing legacy and a growing small business scene, it's a place where hardworking business owners turn ideas into long-term success. Whether it's a production warehouse or a corner shop, Garland's business owners know how quickly needs can change, and that funding delays just don't cut it. That's where New York Fast Funding comes in. We make business funding easy, clear terms, quick turnaround, and expert support that doesn't waste your time. If your business brings in at least $10,000 each month and has been active for 6 months or more, you're already on the path to approval. No credit checks, no red tape, just fast, straightforward funding, ready when you are. From the factory floor to the front counter, New York Fast Funding is here to power your business. Fast, easy, and dependable. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.